Atiti Devo Bhavo. Namaskar. Welcome everybody. Yogesh, Sohan, and myself, we are extremely happy to welcome you all on behalf of our daughters Abha's accomplishment in Indian classical dance. I would like now to hand over the mic to my friend, Mrs. Archana Kulkarni, who's going to be the master of ceremony. We are waiting on some more guests, but we are not going to wait. We are going to respect all our guests, and we're going to start the program. Thank you so much.
Hello and good evening. Welcome everyone. Today we are all here to eye on some amazing dance performances by ABBA. Before we begin, I would like to lay down a few ground rules to make the performance enjoyable and avoid any distractions for ABBA. Please turn off your cell phones. Also, please refrain from leaving your seat during the performance. If you must do so, we kindly ask that you wait until the end of the performance. Please maintain silence during the performance, and there is no food allowed in the auditorium. Let's begin. Bharatnatyam is a classical South Indian dance form known for its grace, purity, tenderness, expression, and poses. Lord Shiva is considered the god of this dance form. Abha has been a student of Guru Sneha's for the past 8 years. She received her diploma in Bharatnatyam from the Samved Conservatory of Indian Classical Music and Dance. Abha recently graduated from High School West Windsor, Plainsboro. She is attending the Fashion Institute of Technology this upcoming fall, where she will be majoring in fashion business management. In her free time, she loves to design clothing and write about new fashion trends and shows on her blog. Abha will begin her recital with Pushpanjali, a traditional namaskaram. Pushpanjali is a beautiful invocation and offering which serves as a perfect opening to the Bharatnatyam recital. Pushpa means flower and Anjali means namaskaram. In this invocation dance, the dancer offers flowers and asks for the blessings of gods, the guru, and the audience. The Pushpanjali dance contains elements of pure dance, nritya. She is presenting this Pushpanjali in Raga Gambhira, Natai, and Tala Adi. Please welcome Abha to commence her Arangetram with Pushpanjali. Abha, Pushpanjali is just not an artistic expression, but it is a spiritual journey. It sets the tone for dance performance, inducing it with divine energy, invoking blessings for a captivating and meaningful performance. Pushpanjali not only signifies the commencement of the dance, but also serves as a reminder of a sacred connection between the dancer and the art form and the divine presence throughout the entire performance. Our next performance is Shabdam. Shabdam is a Bharatnatyam dance item in which the expressions or abhinaya are introduced for the first time to the Bharatnatyam students. The sahityam or lyrics are usually separated into stanzas, and in between each stanza, you will have a simple korvai, nritta steps. This Shabdam is about Bhagwan Ram, in which Abha will depict the essence of the whole Ramayana. In the first stanza, she will be depicting how elegantly young Ram, son of Dasharatha, is holding his bow on his tender shoulders. Everyone praised him. He is the greatest warrior. There is no one like him. Just by chanting this two-letter name, we will get the courage. In the second stanza, she will show when sage Vishwamitra asked King Dasharatha to send his son Ram with him to protect the yajna, the holy fire sacrifice to the forest. Lakshmana also joins them and kills the demon Tratakasur. In the same stanza, she will depict the story of Ahilya Uddhar, liberation of Ahilya. In the next stanza, Abha will show how Rama and Sita meet each other while roaming in Mithila, and immediately their souls get united. In the next stanza, Abha will be showing their marriage after Lord Rama lifts and breaks the Shiva Dhanusha. In the same stanza, Abha will depict how important was his father's word for Lord Ram as he instantly agrees to go to the forest for 14 years. In the last stanza, she is shown Ravana abducting Sita, and with Hanumana's help, he rescues her and kills Ravana. This Shabdam is composed in Raga Malika. There is a different rag for each stanza, and set to Mishra Chapu Talam, composed by Sri Madurai R. Murlidharan, presenting Ram Shabdam.
Tatya te tatata tatya te tatata galangutom tadinginatom tatanatom dala tachunu chunu dimitatom tadakita tadivi divi kitata Dasharatha Kumaranai Dharani போற்றும் நாயகன் தன்னிகர் இல்லாத வீரன் ஸ்ரீராமன் தசரத குமாரனாய் தரணி போற்றும் நாயகன் தன்னிகர் இல்லாத வீரன் ஸ்ரீராமன் தன்னுளவ தோளினில் எதிடும் ரகுராமன் குதோம் ததிங்கின தோம் ததணதன் தண தஜுணு ஜுணு திமி தத்தோம் தண கிட ததிமி திமி த தே த த த தவ முனியின் யாகம் காக்க தருவனம் தான் சென்றவன் தவ முனியின் யாகம் காக்க தருவனம் தான் சென்றவன் தம்பி லக்ஷ்மணனுடன் பாடகை தனி கொன்றவன் தம்பி லக்ஷ்மணனுடன் பாடகை தனி கொன்றவன் தடம் பதித்து கடந்த பொழுதில் கல்லூரு உடன் மாறியே தடம் பதித்து கடந்த பொழுதில் கல்லூரு உடன் மாறியே தளிர் கொடியாய் அகலிகை தாழ்படிந்தாள் அண்ணலே தளிர் கொடியாய் அகலிகை தாழ்படிந்தாள் அண்ணலே தவ முனியின் யாகம் காக்க தருவனம் தான் சென்றவன் தம்பி லக்ஷ்மணனுடன் பாடகை தனி கொன்றவன் தடம் பதித்து கடந்த பொழுதில் கல்லூரு உடன் மாறியே தளிர் கொடியாய் அகலிகை தாழ்பணிந்தாள் அண்ணலே ராம ராம ஜெயம் தினம் நாவில் கூறவலம் ஸ்ரீராம ராம ஜெயம் தினம் நாவில் கூறவலம் நலம் குதோம் ததிகிட தோம் ததணதன் தண தஜுணு ஜுணு திமி தத்தோம் தண கிட ததிமி திமி கிட தாதி கன்னி மாடம் தன்னில் நின்ற எழில் மிகுந்த அன்னையே கன்னி மாடம் தன்னில் நின்ற எழில் மிகுந்த அன்னையே காவிய நாயகன் கண்குள்ளம் மகிழ் கொண்டனன் காவிய நாயகன் கண்குள்ளம் மகிழ் கொண்டனன் கண்ணோடு கண் கவ்வியே ஒன்றை ஒன்று தின்றிட கண்ணோடு கண் கவ்வியே ஒன்றை ஒன்று தின்றிட காதலாகி கசிந்தனர் கருத்தினார் கலந்தனர் காதலாகி கசிந்தனர் கருத்தினார் கலந்தனர் கன்னி மாடம் தன்னில் நின்ற எழில் மிகுந்த அன்னையே காவிய தசமுக ராவணன் வனம் வந்த சீதையை கவர்ந்தான். தசமுக ராவணன் வனம் வந்த சீதையை கவர்ந்தான். தாயவளை தேடியே தளர்ந்தான் தன்னை மறந்தான். தாயவளை தேடியே தளர்ந்தான் தன்னை மறந்தான். தாவி வந்தன நன்மனும் தென்னிலங்கையில் கண்டனன். தாவி வந்தன நன்மனும் தென்னிலங்கையில் கண்டனன். தீரமேவ வீரம் காட்டி இலங்கை வேந்தனை வீழ்த்தினான். தீரமேவ வீரம் காட்டி இலங்கை வேந்தனை வீழ்த்தினான். தசமுக ராவணன் வனம் வந்த சீதையை கவர்ந்தான். தாயவளை தேடியே தளர்ந்தான் தன்னை மறந்தான். தாவி வந்தன நன்மனும் தென்னிலங்கையில் கண்டனன். தீரமேவ வீரம் காட்டி இலங்கை வேந்தனை வீழ்த்தினான். ராம ராம ஜெயம் தினம் நாவில் கூறவலம். ஸ்ரீ ஜெய ராம ராம ஜெயம் தினம் நாவில் கூறவலம். ராம ராம ஜெயம் தினம் நாவில் கூறவலம். ஸ்ரீ ஜெய ராம ராம ஜெயம் தினம் நாவில் கூறவலம்.
That was an amazing performance, Abha. With your abhinaya, expression, you took us into that era. I'm sure everyone must have got Rasanabhuva aesthetic pleasure. Can we have one more round of applause for Abha? Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. In short, it means the Guru is the one who creates, sustains knowledge and destroys ignorance. Srimati Sneha Kulkarni is a Bharatnatyam dancer who started learning dance at the age of 7 in Mumbai. She received her Visharad degree from Bharatiya Sangeet Samiti and participated in various dance and drama programs. She joined Maharashtra Chi Lokadhara, a nationally televised program. She continued her dance journey under the guidance of Guru Vidushi Hemalata Prakash. She is also trained in Carnatic classical music. She started her own dance school in Bangalore, which she had for 3 years before moving to the United States. She established her first dance school in the year 2009 in Edison, New Jersey, and 2016 in West Windsor. Nrityarpan School of Dance has helped and continues to do so for many children to develop a keen interest in learning and practicing the art of Bharatnatyam. I would like to invite Guru Sneha Kulkarni on stage. Also would like to invite Yogesh and Leena on the stage to felicitate the Guru.
My master of ceremony, Mrs. Archana Kulkarni, too. I would request Mr. Bamsi, our sound technician, please be on the stage, please. Okay, thank you so much.
After this performance, we'll be taking a brief intermission during which snacks and beverages will be served. Our next performance is Varna. It is one of the most important, complex and elaborate numbers in Bharatnatyam repertoire, the ultimate of all Bharatnatyam dances. It is a demanding number testing not only the stamina of a dancer, but the training, concentration, and artistic competence to successfully alternate between pure dance, nritya, and expression, nritya. When all these come together, this engrossing number is a visual delight. Abha will perform Nattakuranji Varanam, Swami Nana Undanna Adimai by Papanasan Sivan set to Adi Talam. It is a Bhakti Varanam in praise of Bhagwan Shiva. The Pallavi, which is the first line, describes the story of Markandeya, who was destined to live only for 16 years. He was an ardent devotee of Shiva like his parents. When he came to know about his destiny from his parents, he went into the deep forest and started meditating in front of Shiva Linga. When Yama came to take his prana, he held to Shiva Linga tightly that Bhagwan Shiva emerged from it and stopped Yama, asking him not to bother his devotee Markandeya and all his other devotees, like Markandeya, and let them live for as much as they want. Anupalavi describes the devotee pleading to Bhagwan Shiva to come with Devi Parvati, who always accompanies Shiva on left side. Chanting your name is the only aim of my entire life. He is further asking how long I should wait to seek your feet on which you dance rigorously. In Chitaswara, the poet describes Bhagwan Shiv as one with matted hair lock adorned with the crescent moon and holy river Ganga, having snake coiled around his neck, gentle smile on his lips, dancing in Chidambaram temple. In Charanam, the poet is describing how captivating Shiva's dance is, and when he will glance at the poet who is watching his mesmerizing dance. In the second Charanam, the poet mentions that Nandi says bringing Sri Ganas and other sages along with kings and devatas pray to him, presenting Varnam.
சுவாமி நானுத அடிமை என்று முலகமெல்ல அறியுமே சுவாமி நானுத அடிமை என்று முலகமெல்ல அறியுமே சுவாமி ச நீ ரே ச நீ த நீ ச ச நீ ச ரி க ம க ச நீ ரே ச நீ த நீ ச ச நீ ச ரி க ர ச ர ஜ தேவ சச்சித ஆனந்த நட்டர தேவ சச்சித ஆனந்த ஆடும் நின் அழகில் போகம் கொண்ட இவளை பார் ஆடும் நின் அழகில் போகம் கொண்ட இவளை பார் ஆடும் நின் அழகில் போகம் கொண்ட இவளை பார் ராஜர ஜயதேவ சச்சித ஆனந்த நஜர ஜயதேவ சச்சித ஆனந்த மக மக சனி ச நித நி சரி க க மத சரி த மக சனி சரி க மம க மக சனி ச நித நி சரி க க மத நி சரி த மக சனி சரி க ர ஜயதேவ சச்சித ஆனந்த நட்டர ஜயதேவ நந்தி பிருங்கி சிவமுனி மனிதர்களு இந்திரர் முட அமர கோடிகள் பணியும் நந்தி பிருங்கி சிவமுனி முனிவர்கள் இந்திரர் முட அமர கோடிகள் பணியும் நந்தி பிருங்கி சிவகணம் முனிவர்களும் இந்திரர் முட அமர கோடிகள் பணியும் நஜர ஜயதேவ சச்சித ஆனந்த நட்டர ஜயதேவ சச்சித ஆனந்த ஜனித மக மக ம க மக சனி சதானி தனி சரி க ம க ம க ம த தனி சரி ச நி த ம த நி த ம க ம த நி த ம க சனி தனி சரி க ர ட ர ஜயதேவ சச்சித ஆனந்த நட்டர 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 ஜயதேவ சச்சித
That was amazing performance. Can we have one more round of applause for ABBA?
आगे का, आगे का. I hope you all are enjoying the performance. There's a bit delayed by the caterer, so I would request like another 5 minutes. We are going to set up the food, and then we can all head towards having a little snack. But till that time, if you don't mind, you can use the restroom, you can sign the guest book, and please take a brochure for yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm certain you all have been enjoying ABBA's performances so far and are eagerly anticipating for more. But before we move on, I would like to call our star of the evening, Ms. Abha Kulkarni, on stage as she would like to say a few words. Abha.
Hello, family and friends. I'm Abha, if you didn't already know. And I would like to thank all of you for taking time out of your very busy schedules to come to my Arangetram. So, thank you. I have no idea how to sum up the last 8 years of my dancing journey in a small speech, but I will try. I started learning dance at Nrutyarpan when I was a small, bright eyed fourth grader. And fun fact, I was not too keen to start learning Bharatnatyam. I didn't like how rigid it was, and I threw small temper tantrums at the prospect of going to class. But alas, I did because my parents, my mom especially, said that Bharatnatyam would be very, very good for me. And I really hate to say it, but mom and dad, you were right. Can't believe I had to say that. Learning Bharatnatyam has not only helped my physical health by increasing my stamina and bettering my memory, but it has also helped connect me to my cultural and religious roots. And who else is there to thank for that other than my Guru Sneha? Thank you so much for continuously. Thank you so much for continuously encouraging me to do better and for teaching me to never give up, even when I couldn't memorize a section of a dance immediately. Also, thank you for not giving up on me when you had to lecture me for not practicing. I truly, sincerely hope that I have made you at least a little proud, or at the very, very least, not completely disappointed in me. Mom, Dad, Dada, thank you for driving me to and from class every week for the last 8 years. And thank you for pushing me outside of my comfort zone and for always believing in me. There are more thanks to give out, so just bear with me here. Thank you to all of my friends right over there for listening to me talk about this Arangetram for the past year and for assuring me that I would do well. Thank you so much. A special shout out to all of my dance friends for the best typing up and for the panicked FaceTime calls before every exam to make sure we wouldn't fail. Lastly, a great big thanks to Archana Aunty for being our amazing MC of the evening. To Arush for videography and Carlos for photography, Mr. Vamsi for lighting and sound, Ms. Rajwinder for my makeup and hair, and for all of the kind neighborhood aunties who made sure we weren't stressed about anything for today, and for Mr. Vishwajit for allowing this program to happen. Once again, Guru Sneha, you are the absolute best, and I'm so grateful for everything you have done for me.
Our next performance is Ganesh Stuti. Stuti means singing to praise the virtues, deeds, and nature of God. This is a dance in reverence of Ganpati, the remover of all obstacles. In this song, Gajavadana Karuna Sadhana, the poet says, O Ganesha, God with an elephant face, you are the embodiment of kindness. You are the son of Shiva. You have a big stomach. You are the beautiful one. You are worshipped by the immortal Devas and Indra and the sages. I bow to your lotus feet. You are the foundation for the three worlds. You are the essence of the Vedas. You are foundation of my life. Please give me your blessings. Oh, the auspicious faced one, you are the form of Om. This song is composed by Papanasan Sivan in Sri Ranjani Ragam and set to Adi Talam, presenting Ganesha Stuti.
करुणा गजवदना करुणा सदना गजवदना करुणा सदना गजवदना करुणा सदना श्री गजवदना करुणा सदना शङ्कर बाला लम्बोदर सुन्दर 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 गजवदना सदना
That was a soothing performance, Abha. May Ganesha fulfill all your wishes. At this time, I would like to invite Aura Singh and Tamanna Desai to share their thoughts on Abha.
Should we go to the stand?
Hello, I'm Abba's friend Aura. I've known her since third grade when we were in the same basketball team, but we really became friends in 10th grade. I've seen her grow so much, both academically and socially. Her journey hasn't always been easy, but she's always gotten up and always persevered. If there is one word that I could use to describe her, it would truly be awe-inspiring. Her constant hustle, whether it's for schoolwork, going to actual work, or for gangs, is awe-inspiring. Her attention to detail in the artwork that she creates and the dress designs that she makes is also awe-inspiring. Her moral compass and how she handles herself every day is awe-inspiring. Most of all, her big heart and the way she cares for me and her other friends is awe-inspiring. I will never forget when at 11 p.m. I was crying and she picked up my call and comforted me. She has always been there for me and I can only hope that I have been there for her as well. For those who don't know, we graduated this Wednesday and I could not be more proud of Abha. She is going to FIT and she got in because she's creative and hardworking and absolutely amazing at what she does. I always knew she would do great things and I just know that one day I'll see her as the CEO of a major fashion company. We have truly been through so much together, and I could not have asked for a better partner through all of it. The drama, the fights, the doubts, everything would have been unbearable without Abha, and her future college friends are so lucky to have her in their lives. They'll be gaining someone who will validate their feelings, comfort them through hard times, and call them out even if they're being unreasonable. Never in a million years would I have been able to imagine having such a supportive friend with me. I will always carry all the lessons you taught me and all the memories we have made. As for gangs, unfortunately, today is the first time I've been able to see her, but I know how hard she works. During gym class last year, she would talk about it with her gangs friends, and I would see her practicing her rhythms. And somehow, she always manages to practice and study for her gangs exams, even though she has a very busy schedule. Honestly, I get exhausted watching her do it, but through it all, she stays energized and optimistic. I truly hope she never loses that spark. As I get to the end of this speech, I just want to say thank you to her parents for making her and shaping her to be the best friend I could ask for. And thank you to Abha for everything you've done for me. No words describe how grateful I am, and I don't think you could ever fathom how much you truly mean to me. You're beautiful and graceful and so kind, and I hope you never changed. I love you so much, and congrats.
Hello all, my name is Tamanna, and I've been Abha's best friend for nearly 10 years. In 10 years, we've survived many ups and downs together. We went through elementary and middle school together. We went through quarantine together, and just earlier this week, we graduated high school together. Because I've known Abha so long, I know how much she's changed since we first became friends. She's grown into a more mature, more compassionate, and way less annoying person than she was at 8 years old. But there's a couple of things about her that have stayed relatively the same. For example, when we were younger, we used to meet at the playground a couple times a week so we could play a game. We used to call it the adventure game, and in the game, Abha and I were spies and superheroes, and we had to save the world from villains who wanted to take over it. We played this game for years, which meant that at one point, we didn't have any new ideas for what we could do next. But we liked the game enough that instead of trying to find a new game to play, we began to repeat the same plot lines over and over again. We would go back to whatever we played the day before, and we would repeat what we'd done. Most of the time, if there was anything we thought we could have done better, if we could have changed the story to make it more entertaining, that's what we would do. Even when it became boring, we made it so that it wasn't boring, and we made the game fun, even though there were many better things we could have been doing. Another time, back in third grade, we tried to solve a mystery. Someone had been leaving mean notes on one of our friends' desks, and Abha and I, being the smart and confident 9-year-olds we were, decided that we were going to be the ones to solve it. We had to hide it from a teacher, so we set up a mystery solving corner and we began to make supplies. We used tape and napkins to make a bag, and inside we put the clues we'd gathered, and we hid that bag inside of our desks. We searched for months and months to find the culprit, even though at one point the notes stopped coming and the rest of the class had forgotten about them. At the end, we thought we found someone who matched our ideal suspect, who had the same handwriting and used the same marker as the person who wrote the notes, and we didn't like them anyway, so it was easy for us to blame them. We told the teacher our suspicions, and though they were never confirmed, after months of trying, Abha and I were convinced we'd solve the mystery. And finally, most recently, this is less of a memory than it is an observation. Every time I step foot into Abha's room, most things are the same as they were the time before. She has the same neat desk and the same very messy bed, but every time she seems to have more sketches of clothes and outfits she wants to design. There's a few things Abha likes more than anything else in the world, one of them being me and one of them being fashion. She likes fashion so much that she applied and got into the top fashion institute in the entire world, something which still shocks me. It's not that she isn't smart enough for it, but instead I'm surprised by how much confidence someone needs to know exactly what they like and just go do it. When I look at other people around me, and even at myself, we're still trying to decide what we want to major in and what we want to do when we grow up. But Abha knows that she likes fashion, and so she's going to a school made specifically for fashion, which requires a great deal of confidence. In all three of these stories, ranging from when Abha was only 8 years old to today when she's 18, I notice a common thread. Abha possesses a sort of determination that many people don't have. You could call it confidence or you could call it hard work, but whatever it is, you could see it in the way she sticks to the things she likes and doesn't let go. When she likes a game, she plays it over and over again. And when she wants to solve a mystery or problem, she'll work on it for months. And when she knows what she wants to do in the future, she'll go after it and work hard for it. This is exactly what's kept our friendship strong for so many years, because even when times are rough, I know Abha isn't about to give up on me or our friendship. Next year, we're going to reach 10 years of friendship. Next month, we're going to reach 10 years of friendship. And the month after that, Abha is leaving for college. Big changes are coming ahead, but I'm completely sure that Abha will tackle them with the same determination and ferocity that she's tackled every challenge in her life, from when she was a child to today. Abha, good luck with the future, even though I'm sure you don't need it, and happy early 10-year anniversary. Oh, okay, never mind.
And up next on the program, we have Kirtanam. Abha is presenting a Kirtanam on goddess Meenakshi of Madurai, titled Devi Niye Tunai. The Kirtanam was composed by Sri Papanasan Shivan. Did we do this right? No, right? I'm on the right track, right? Okay, I thought. Yeah, sorry. In this song, Abha will depict two stories of Devi Meenakshi. In the first stanza, Abha shows the story as how goddess Meenakshi was a brave warrior who conquered various kingdoms. She traveled up to Mount Kailasa, but got mesmerized by Shiva's persona and fell in love with him and eventually married Bhagwan Shiva. In the second stanza, Abha will show the story of goddess Meenakshi's birth from holy fire. Devi Meenakshi is worshipped by goddess Saraswati and goddess Lakshmi, and she also nurtures the Tamil language. This is Abha presenting the Kirtanam in Keeravani Ragam and Aditala.
துணை மாதவமே காஞ்சனமாலை புதல்வி மகராணி மலையத்வஜ மாதவமே காஞ்சனமாலை புதல்வி மகராணி அலைமகள் கலைமகள் பணிகீராணி அலைமகள் கலைமகள் பணிகீராணி அமுதனைய இனிய முத்தமிழ் வளர அமுதனைய இனிய முத்தமிழ் வளர
Beautiful performance, Abha. You mesmerized us again with your expressions. At this time, the proud parents of Abha and her brother would like to say a few words.
Dad is missing. Hello, everyone, again. I hope you all are enjoying the performance. And I really thank you all for being here and making this occasion very special. When I was asked to write something about Abha, I was like, what do I write? Because it is so difficult. It's all about your child. You really don't know where to start and where to end. So it is like the day we found out that, there's one more family member going to be added to in our lives, we were really happy. We were full of emotions and feelings. And that is when your memories actually, start building up. And I think most of the parents would say, yes, what I'm saying is right. Right? When you come to know you're going to have a child, that is when, you start really building up your memories right from day one. You're full of emotions, you're full of feelings for the child that is to be born. And that is how we felt. I'm actually a little nervous because I'm not used to talk. So sorry. We were very happy when I found out that we are going to have a girl, especially. Of course, I started thinking about how to dress her up, what kind of toys I'm going to get for her, etc., etc. But one thing that I had decided, that she will be learning an Indian classical dance. I wasn't sure what form of dance, but yes, that was my promise to myself that my daughter is going to fulfill my dream, and she did it. And I'm really proud of her. What I like about Abha is I admire her willingness, her flexibility, her sensibility, and I think the biggest thing is her maturity. She has always been mature, like in ratio to her age, and that is a very good quality I really love about her. She tries to do everything with perfection, and I think she really succeeds in that. I'm proud on her accomplishments and happy that you're going for your undergrad to your dream college, that is the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York, and going to pursue a degree in fashion business management. And one last thing, I would always like to tell you, Abba, that you are my best friend in this entire world. Yes. And I love you so much. And always, you have our blessings and supports. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. It's a mixed emotional thing that my child Abba has turned into a dancer. She has dedicated her 8 years of life with her guru, and with her dedication, she was able to complete a chapter in her dance journey. Right. She has, from the childhood itself, she has shown the learning or the keen interest in learning dance. And it all started with normal, Bollywood kind of a dance, but then it transformed into, and thanks to her guru and her mom, to transform her likings towards the classical dance form, which is Bharatnatyam. And as you see, and she witnessed here, right, and as you witnessed here, that it's not just the art form, but it's a storytelling, right? There are multiple stories, those are being told through her dance performances, and people do understand those with her abhinaya and mudras, right? Various mudras that she used. People can relate to those things, and they really can understand those stories. That's the power of the Bharatnatyam, and we felt that the cultural importance of learning the classical dance and showing the abhinayas and mudras was important for her own, or understanding the essence of life. It's not just the art or music, it's the essence of life, right? The dedication, the hard work that she has put in, right? It's a practice that she has come up to, and I'm sure that when she goes to FIT or anything that she does in her life, that process continues and that dedication continues. And with that, I would just say that she's a dreamer, and she should continue her dreams. But thank you all.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sohan. Just in case you don't know, I'm Abha's elder brother. So, Abha is a great little sister, and not once in our entire lives have we fought, like ever. But no, Abha has always been an ambitious, hardworking, and really, really stubborn child. But regardless, she's a very smart individual who always strives for greatness, whether it be with her friends, in academics, in extracurricular activities, and especially in Bharatnatyam, as you guys can see today. Abha, I wish you good luck in all your future endeavors in FIT, and you shouldn't worry about what FIT or the world can throw at you, but rather they should worry about you. I still love you, Abha, don't worry.
I would like to request Guru Sneha Kulkarni to come on the stage. She would like to say a few words about Abha. Guru Sneha.
Good evening, everyone. Yeah, I won't take much time, as I know you are eagerly waiting for her next performance. So back in October 2016, Abha started learning Bharatnatyam with me from scratch until her Arangetram. And along the way, she also learned her diploma in Bharatanatyam. Abha has been one of my most dedicated and most punctual students. She has a natural sense of rhythm, which is tala, and is always expressive, which has allowed me to teach her more intricate steps with ease. As a guru, nothing is more fulfilling than seeing a disciple like Abha do justice to my choreography. That's a true Guru Dakshina. Thank you, Abha. Bharatnatyam is a journey of dedication. Talent is a gift, but consistent practice and hard work are in our control. Today's performance reflects the countless hours of preparation and practice. Dancing to recorded music adds another layer of challenge since there is no room for improvisation if a mistake happens. I still vividly remember when Abha and her parents first came to my studio in the fall of 2016. Fast forwarded, say, 8.5 years, and here we are celebrating Abha's Arangetram. It's not easy for someone raised in the US to pursue Indian classical art while navigating a different cultural landscape. Bharatnatyam songs tell stories of Hindu gods and goddesses, and despite living abroad, these kids not only learn these stories, but also express the emotions, offering a profound aesthetic experience that is Rasanubhava to the audience. I am certain Abha delivered that experience to all of you today. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to Abha's parents for their unwavering support throughout her journey. Abha, as you embark on this new chapter of your life, I wish you all the best. The treasure of classical dance will undoubtedly guide you in your future endeavors. I encourage you to keep dancing whenever you get the opportunity, whether it's in college festival, clubs, or other cultural activities in your community. Now, I would like Abha to come a little bit ahead so I can give you a certificate of Arangetram and a small token of appreciation from the Nrityarpan Dance School. And then we will continue her recital. Thank you.
Now, hold your breath to experience the most rigorous dance of Bharatanatyam, Tandava. Tandava is a dance of passion, anger, and intense energy performed by God Shiva as Nataraja. The Tandava dance is characterized by intense excitement, the heroic mood, and the touch of wrath, anger. It also expresses cosmic activity, the divine conquerors of evil or the attainment of bliss. Tandava dance is vigorous, masculine, and pure dance consists of powerful jatis, beats, sequence of nritya aspect. Abha will conclude her performance with vibrant Ananda Tandavam. This Tandavam describes Bhagavan Shiva performing Ananda Tandavam at Chidambaram. He is adorned with ash, snake garland, tiger skin, and river Ganga while dancing, and his anklets are making sound Ulika Ulika. When he competed with Kali, the whole place was shaking. However, Kali remained undefeated. Sage Patanjali and Vyagaprada were amazed to see his Tandavam. When he drank the poison, the whole universe shook. While dancing, the Bhutaganas also joined who reside at Mount Kailasa with him. He holds fire in his left hand while dancing. Nandi plays Mridangam and the whole universe is filled with Tala and Kala when he dances. This Tandavam is composed by Karu Dr. Shiva Loganathan in Ragam Hansanandi and Talam Tesra Adi. Guru Sneha Kulkarni has interwoven different jatis in the Mridangam jati before and in between stanzas. Abha presenting Tandavam.
டம 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 தாண்டவம். ஓம் நம சிவாய. திம் திமி திமி திம் திமி திமி திம் திமி திமி தாண்டவம். ஓம் நம சிவாய. டம 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 தாண்டவம். தில்லை கூத்தன் ஆடுகின்றான் அம்பலத்தில் தாண்டவம். தின் திமி திமி தின் திமி திமி தின் திமி திமி தாண்டவம். ஆகாசத்தலமதிலே ஆனந்த தாண்டவம். டம 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 தாண்டவம். தில்லை கூத்தன் ஆடுகின்றான் அம்பலத்தில் தாண்டவம். தின் திமி திமி தின் திமி திமி தின் திமி திமி தாண்டவம். ஆகாசத்தலமதிலே ஆனந்த தாண்டவம். தாம் 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 தத்தும் தத்தும் தீம் 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 தித்தும் தித்தும் தும் தத்தும் 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 நம் தனம் 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 தத்தும் தத்தும் தாம் 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 தத்தும் தத்தும் தீம் 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 தத்தும் தத்தும் தும் தத்தும் 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 நம் தனம் 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 தத்தும் தத்தும். சாம்பலோடு சர்ப்பகாரம் அணிந்து கொண்டு தாண்டவம். சண்ட காளி சண்ட போட தில்லை கதிர தாண்டவம். புலியும் பார்த்து வியக்கும் பரமேசன் தாண்டவம். பாத சிலம்பு ஒலிக்க ஒலிக்க கால் தூக்கி தாண்டவம். சாம்பலோடு சர்ப்பகாரம் அணிந்து கொண்ட தாண்டவம். சண்ட காளி சண்ட போட தில்லை அதிர தாண்டவம். பாம்பும் புலியும் பார்த்து வியக்கும் பரமேசன் தாண்டவம். பாத சிலம்பு ஒலிக்க ஒலிக்க கால் தூக்கி தாண்டவம். தாம் தத்தும் 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 தீம் தத்தும் 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 தும் தத்தும் 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 நம் தத்தும் 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 தாம் தத்தும் தீம் தத்தும் தும் தத்தும் நம் தத்தும் 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 தாம் தத்தும் 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 தீம் தத்தும் 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 தும் தத்தும் 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 நம் தத்தும் tatum tatum tam tatum dim tatum tatum nam tatum 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 காலம் தனையுண்டு அண்டமதிர தாண்டவம் காலனை வதம் செய்து கால தாண்டவம் புலித்தோலை உடுத்திக் கொண்டு பூதகண தாண்டவம் தலையணிந்த தண்ணீரும் ததும்ப தாண்டவம் காலம் தன்னையுண்டு அண்டமதிர தாண்டவம் காலனை வதம் செய்த கால தாண்டவம் புலித்தோலை உடுத்திக் கொண்டு பூதகண தாண்டவம் தலையணிந்த தண்ணீரும் ததும்ப தாண்டவம் தந்தக்கு திட்டும் தையத்த திட்டும் தந்தக்கு திட்டும் தையத்த திட்டும் தந்தக்கு 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 திட்டும் தந்தக்கு திந்தக்கு தந்தக்கு 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 திட்டும் தந்தக்கு 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 திட்டும் தந்தக்கு திட்டும் தையத்த திட்டும் தந்தக்கு திட்டும் தையத்த திட்டும் தந்தக்கு 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 திட்டும் தந்தக்கு திந்தக்கு தந்தக்கு திந்தக்கு தந்தக்கு திந்தக்கு தந்தக்கு திட்டும் தந்தக்கு 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 திட்டும் கண்டை சிலம்பு தாளம் போட தகதகவென தாண்டவம் கரமதிலே அனலேந்தி கனகனவென தாண்டவம் நந்தியதும் கொட்டிடவே நக தாண்டவம் சிவலோக நாதனுக்கு அருளுகின்ற தாண்டவம் கண்டை சிலம்பு தாளம் போட தகதகவென தாண்டவம் கரமதிலே அனலேந்தி கனகனவென தாண்டவம் நந்தியதும் கொட்டிடவே நகநகவென தாண்டவம் சிவலோக நாதனுக்கு அருளுகின்ற தாண்டவம்
This concludes our Arangetram program, and thank you very much for joining us to Abba's journey. And it will be now the dinner time. We'll be serving a dinner now. But thank you very much for coming over on this hot summer day and giving your blessings to Abba. Thank you very much.
If you would like to congratulate and meet Abba in person, please, if you could step outside on the photo booth and click a picture, and you can congratulate and have a talk with her. Thank you till the food is set up. Thank you so much, everyone, once again, for making this so special for Abba and for us. You really made her day and Abba's day. Thank you so, so much.